This lesson will show how to use a reference triangle on the coordinate plane to determine the 6 trigonometric function values for theta equals negative 7 pi divided by 6 radians. We begin by sketching the initial side along the positive x-axis. And now because the angle is negative, we rotate clockwise 7 pi divided by 6 radians, or 7/6 pi radians. Recall 1/6 pi radians is 3 degrees. So rotating clockwise, half a rotation would be negative 6/6 pi radians. We need to rotate another negative 1/6 pi radians to determine the terminal side of negative 7/6 pi radians, or negative 7 pi divided by 6 radians. This would be the terminal side for negative 7 pi divided by 6 radians. Next, the reference angle is the acute angle formed from the terminal side of the angle on the x-axis, which is this acute angle here, which we should recognize measures 1/6 pi radians, or pi divided by 6 radians, which remember is 30 degrees. And now we form the reference triangle by sketching a vertical segment from any point on the terminal side to the x-axis, let's say here. Notice this forms a right triangle. This is the reference triangle. And notice this is a pi divided by 6, pi divided by 3, pi divided by 2 reference triangle, or a 30, 60, 90 reference triangle. And because we are in the second quadrant, where x is negative and y is positive, we can label the longer horizontal leg negative square root 3, the shorter vertical leg positive 1, and the hypotenuse 2. And now I can use this reference triangle to determine the 6 trigonometric function values. Cosine negative 7 pi divided by 6 equals the ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse, which is negative square root 3 divided by 2. Sine negative 7 pi divided by 6 equals the ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse, which is 1 divided by 2, or 1/2. Tangent negative 7 pi divided by 6 equals the ratio of the opposite side to the adjacent side, which is 1 divided by negative square root 3, or negative 1 divided by square root 3. Let's go ahead and rationalize the denominator by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the square root of 3. We can also express the tangent function value as negative square root 3 divided by 3. The secant function value equals the reciprocal of the cosine function value. The reciprocal of negative square root 3 divided by 2 is negative 2 divided by square root 3. Or using the reference triangle, secant negative 7 pi divided by 6 equals the ratio of the hypotenuse to the adjacent side, which is 2 divided by negative square root 3, or negative 2 divided by square root 3. Which, if we rationalize the denominator, is equal to negative 2 square root 3 divided by 3. The cosecant function value equals the reciprocal of the sine function value. The reciprocal of 1/2 is 2 divided by 1, or 2. Or using the reference triangle, cosecant negative 7 pi divided by 6 equals the ratio of the hypotenuse to the opposite side, which is 2 divided by 1, which equals 2. And then finally, the cotangent function value equals the reciprocal of the tangent function value. The reciprocal of negative 1 divided by square root 3 is square root 3 divided by negative 1, which is negative square root 3. Cotangent negative 7 pi divided by 6 equals negative square root 3. Or if we want to use the reference triangle, cotangent negative 7 pi divided by 6 equals the ratio of the adjacent side to the opposite side, which is negative square root 3 divided by 1, which equals negative square root 3. I hope you found this helpful.